Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Today we are going to take a look in this MAISTO model. It's a not very old, but pretty old model car. It's the HUMMER concept car, the HX, I think that it's named. I bought it before 1.5 years, I think. But I thought we can open it today together and take a look to all the features that this model car has. It looks great. I hope it will also have very nice details. As you can see, the box is not the standard MAISTO box that you see today. It's blue and it has black and yellow designs. It also has openings from the side. And here is what's on the back. There is also some information on the bottom. I see here that they showing you how to stack this plastic. I mentioned that in an earlier video. It was with the video with Dodge Challenger. It has also a plastic base, but in this packaging of this model car, they actually show you how you can use the plastic base and stack the cars on top of each other. That's nice. So yeah, very nice. And also there are also here logos and instructions, whatever. And this is the model car. And now we are gonna open it. So I'm guessing that it opens from here like the other boxes, yes. And the model car is now out from the box. As you can see, it has a piece of paper at the back. And this is the plastic base, like the Dodge car. Very nice. And now we are going to take the bolts out. Here underneath also it has some plastic pieces that you put around the base, as you can see. Nice instructions and the nice plastic pieces. So now we are going to unscrew the model car. And now we have this out of the way. And we can cut the plastic things so we can take a look at the model car. It smells like mold because it's closed for too long. Anyway, this is a very nice model car. Straight away you notice the suspension system. It's very nice. And also the paint job is very nice, as you can see. It kind of looks spotless, high quality. Very nice details. The wheels steer and roll nicely, and the steering wheel moves along with the wheels. Underneath you see a very nice plastic piece for the bottom. Looks very nice. I didn't expect basically to look so good in person. The hood opens like this, and you see the engine from inside, all chromed out. Very nice. Very nice glass surfaces. Very nice details for the interior. I think that MAISTO spent a lot of time to create this model and make it look so good and so detailed. To be honest, I didn't expect it for this model car to look so good, because in the pictures that I've seen online, they didn't present it so nicely. So now I'm going to present you the details, because it's a nice model car and I think it deserves a nice review. So back to our video now, and as you can see, it opens until that point from the back. Open and closes very nicely, and the doors does not open a lot, as you can see, but they open enough so we can have a nice look for the interior of the interior. Looks very nice. It has some real weird things happening on the dashboard. I don't know what's this in the middle, but I have to make a research with the 1:1 scale car and see what those things in the center console are. So that's nice. You can see that the paint is very nicely applied. The wheels are very nice also. So you see all the details about this model car. And that's all for today's video. I wanted to keep it short. I just wanted to do a quick review and unboxing for this model car. As always, thank you for watching, and until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.